The word we'll be learning in this video is 口実, which you will often hear when people are giving reasons to avoid something, explaining themselves at work, or making casual excuses with friends. For example, he gave an excuse to leave early. She used an excuse to avoid the meeting. Don't let that excuse hold you back. Let's get started. 口実 口実 The word 口実 means an excuse or a reason someone gives to avoid responsibility or an obligation. It usually refers to a pretext that may be weak or self-serving, but it can also be used for a genuine justification when someone offers a valid reason for their actions. Think of 口実 as the reason someone offers, often to avoid doing something or to explain why they cannot do it. The first kanji means mouth. It also implies an opening or passage. You see it in words like iriguchi, meaning entrance, and deguchi, meaning exit. In those words, the kanji gives the idea of a physical opening or way in and out. The second kanji means truth. It also carries the sense of reality or the result of something. You see it in words like jijitsu, meaning fact, and jissai, meaning actuality. In those words, the kanji gives the sense of something real, true, or actual. ... Make an excuse. 口実を作る。口実を作る。Use work as an excuse. 仕事を口実にする。仕事を口実にする。Take time off using it as an excuse. 口実にして休む。口実にして休む。A lame, stupid excuse. くだらない口実。くだらない口実。Have no excuse. 口実がない。口実がない。The most common synonyms of the 口実 is 言い訳 and 理由。言い訳 is often used when someone defends or justifies their action and carries a nuance of evasion or trying to avoid blame. 理由 is a more neutral term for the real cause or explanation and does not necessarily imply an attempt to dodge responsibility like 言い訳 does. The most common antonyms of the 口実 is 事実 and 正直. 事実 refers to facts or reality and contrasts with excuses that may distort or avoid the truth. 正直 denotes honesty or straightforwardness and implies no attempt to fabricate or offer an excuse.